Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mop buckets that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Mop Bucket. Mopping is a dirty, unglamorous chore that can leave you in need of a good clean once you're done. But O-Cedar offers a different perspective, and that is why it is our best choice product out of the 10 on this list. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop has a host of features that transform mopping into a sophisticated task. First is the Mop Bucket design, which has a built-in wringer that frees you from physically interacting with the mop head. The product is further able to do this efficiently thanks to a high-quality foot pedal that activates spin ringing. With the combination of the wringer and the pedal, you never have to bend down, and your hand can equally stay completely dry. Also, the wringer comes with an accompanying splash guard that keeps water inside the bucket while it is spinning. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Carlisle Commercial Mop Bucket. Of course, you probably should not use a home cleaning mop bucket for commercial use. There are plenty of them designed for commercial use, and the Carlisle Commercial Mop Bucket is one of the best. It is expertly designed to cater to heavy-duty mopping, turning a tedious task into a breeze. The first noteworthy feature here is the wringer. It has a side press ring with a 90-degree bend handle high enough to use with little to minimize strain on your back. Also, the side press ring is capable of 50,000 ringing cycles, providing lasting usability. The bucket itself comes in 2 sizes, 26 and 35 quart, both of which, depending on your needs, are big enough for large-scale mopping. At number 3, we have the Hurricane Mop Bucket. Although the Hurricane Spin Mop home cleaning system looks like a mop bucket with wringer, it is not. The product instead comes with a centrifugal spinning technology that cleans the mop head. Its application is very similar to the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. All you have to do is dip the dirty mop in the bucket of water, put it back in the basket, and press down on the pedal to activate the centrifugal system. It will then spin out dirt from the water, leaving you with a clean mop, all hands-free. Furthermore, instead of a triangle-shaped mop head, this product has a microfiber mop head that rotates at 360 degrees. With it, you can clean and polish any surface and touch hard-to-reach corners. That is in addition to the 360-degree adjustable height handle that allows efficient cleaning with minimal to no back strain. At number 2, we have the Oshang Flat Mop Bucket. For those who are not fans of the traditional mop head, the Oshang Flat Floor Mop and Bucket set offer a different but efficient choice in the form of a microfiber pad. It comes with 2 of them, and they are also washable and reusable. With these 2 pads, you can clean a range of floor types with complete ease. The Oshang Flat Floor Mop and Bucket set also have a particular feature which makes this set of mop buckets the best in the market: a self-cleaning system. It uses a groove design to achieve this, allowing you to wet and dry the mop easily. And even though it is not a wringer bucket, the entire process is hands-free. And finally, at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grips Angled Measuring Mop Bucket. Sometimes, all you want is the bucket in a mop bucket set, and there are plenty of those on the market. But very few can match the build and features of the OXO Good Grips Angled Measuring Mop Bucket. Although it is still no more than a container for liquid, OXO maximizes its capabilities, all while maintaining its simplified design. The first noticeable design feature is its oblong shape. That makes it easier to carry and, combined with wide spouts at 2 ends of the bucket, offers the ability to pour controlled amounts of water out of the bucket. Another excellent feature is the gallon and liter measurement markings placed on an angled surface in the bucket. What's more, instead of paint, they are molded into the bucket. So, you don't have to worry about them peeling off. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.